Hello friends, I am an experienced English teacher and I have been teaching English for more than 25 years. Today I'll try to teach you active and passive voice using my creative methods of teaching. I hope you will have a strong and clear idea about active and passive voice if you watch my full video. Hello guys, today our topic is voice change. You will learn active and passive voice very easily if you watch my full video. Look, you like it. Active sentence. The passive will be it is liked by you. Here the object will be subject and the subject will be object. This is the simple rule, and we use by or some suitable preposition before the object. And before doing voice changes, you have to identify 7 types of sentences to make them passive. Now I am discussing them one by one. Number 1, sentence of simple present tense type voice. You write a story. In this sentence, the verb write is written in present or verb 1 form. And now I identify that it is a sentence of simple present tense type. Now I have to follow the passive rule to make the sentence passive. And you know that the object will be subject when we do voice change. A story, it is my subject now, and I have to follow the remaining part to make the sentence passive. Following this formula, I have to now write am, is or are. Here you must have clear idea about the use of am, is or are. For subject I use am, for third person singular use is, and for others use are. Every singular subject except I and you is called third person singular. Am, is, are for present, was, were for past. Have, has for present, had for past. And this chart will always help you to know the use of am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. Now I know the use of am, is, are. My subject, a story, is third person singular. So I have to write is here. Then I have to write verb 3 here. And here is a list of some verbs. Present or verb 1 form, past or verb 2 form, past participle or verb 3 form. And we always use past participle or verb 3 form when we do passive voice. And this I call verb 3. A verb like write has 3 forms. Write verb 1, wrote verb 2, written verb 3. I use written as verb 3 of write verb written. By you, the subject becomes object. Look, he does not take tea. It is also simple present tense type voice because you have does not in this sentence. And it is a negative sentence. Follow this. Use not in case of negative sentence. So I have to use not when I do passive voice. T is my subject now. Now I write is because T subject is third person singular. Now I add not because it is a negative sentence. Now I write taken verb 3 of take verb taken. By him, he, the subject becomes him in object form. I give you a list how subject and object form changes during voice changes. I subject becomes me in object form and me object becomes I in subject form. Likewise, this will be changed. He subject becomes him in object form. Number 2, sentence of simple past tense type voice. Look at this sentence. Tagore wrote Gitanjali. It is an example of simple past tense type because it has verb to or second form of verb wrote in this sentence. So I have to follow this rule: subject plus was were plus V3 plus object to make it passive. Now I write Gitanjali, it is my subject now. Now I have to write was or were. I write was because my subject is third person singular Gitanjali. Then I have to write verb 3 of this verb, written by Tagore. The subject becomes object. Look at this sentence. Ranu gave me 10 rupees. This sentence has two objects, me and 10 rupees. Object 1, object 2. And when we do voice change, we will have to write any one of these object as subject. If I take me as a subject, it will be I, and then was, and then verb 3 given. And here I have to write second object 10 rupees before writing by Ranu. Now I write by Ranu. If you take second object 10 rupees as subject, the answer will be 10 rupees were given to me by Ranu. I did not know the answer. An example of negative sentence. The passive one will be the answer was not known to me. The answer subject was were. I use not because of negative sentence. Known verb 3 of know, known. Here I use to instead of writing by, me object. Some verbs do not take the preposition by, but they take the suitable preposition. Verb know, to, shock at, please with, feel with. So I write known to. Number 3, sentence of continuous tense type voice. For example, she is eating mangoes. It is a sentence of continuous tense type because the sentence has be verb is and verb 1 with ing. So I have to follow the passive rule: subject plus be verb plus being plus verb 3 plus object to make it passive. The answer will be mangoes subject, are be verb, being verb 3 of eat verb eaten by her. Here I write are because I have plural subject, mangoes. She was not listening to me. An example of negative sentence of continuous tense type of voice, and I have to follow the passive rule to make the sentence passive and use not because of this negative sentence. The answer will be I was not being listened to by her. Number 4, sentence with have, has, had plus V3 type of voice. For example, we have invited him in the party. It has have and invited verb 3. So I have to follow this passive rule: subject plus have, has or had plus been plus V3 plus object to make it passive. Here him is the object. In the party is not the object, it is the remaining part of the sentence. So my subject will be he. The answer will be he has been invited in the party by us. He subject, has been been invited, verb 3. In the party, the remaining part, by us. Here I write has because my subject he is third person singular. Another example, she had not done it. Answer will be it had not been done by her. Number 5, sentence with modal plus V1 type of voice. For example, he can do it. The sentence has modal can plus verb 1 do. So you have to follow the passive rule, subject plus modal plus be plus V3 plus object to make it passive. The answer will be it can be done by him. It subject, can modal, be done verb 3, by him object. And here I indicate some modals: can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, etc. Look at this type of sentence. You should have done it. For this type of sentence, you do not have to write be, you have to write been here. The answer will be it should have been done by you. Been. Number 6, imperative sentence type of voice. For example, close the door. The sentence opens with the main verb close and has full stop mark at last. So it is imperative type and you have to follow this passive rule: let plus subject plus be plus V3 plus object to make it passive. The answer will be let the door be closed. Let the door subject, be closed verb 3. Look, change these sentences from active to passive voice. Number 1, this restaurant serves only organic food. Can you identify this sentence? The verb serves, so it is simple present tense type. How much flour do you need? It is question mark type and also simple present tense type. The committee is considering action on the bill. Is considering be verb and verb 1 with ing, so it is continuous tense type. I will never forget those carefree days. Modal will plus verb 1 forget, so modal plus V1 type. Arjun has visited the Great Wall of China. Have has plus V3 type. Who broke this dish of butter? Question mark type and past type. Tarini was polishing the silver candlesticks. Was polishing, be verb and verb 1 with ing, continuous tense type. So you will have no difficulty when you do voice change if you follow my passive rule for this type of sentences. I have not discussed about the question mark type of voice here. For this type of voice,